street was silver at the break of dawn, coffee steam and headlights turning on, your silhouette in fading light, suitcase shadow out of sight. You said it's only for a little while, but goodbye was hiding in your smile. Promises hung in the air, like smoke dissolving somewhere. I try to hold the moment still, but time has never been too will. On that misty morning goodbye, I watched forever pass me by. The sky was crying soft and slow, like it knew what I didn't want to know. Every step you took away took a piece of yesterday. If forever had a sound, it'd be that train leaving town. The train rolled in like a restless sigh, steel and steam beneath the sky. Your hand slipped slowly out of mine, like water crossing fault lines. I watch your face through window glass. Your lips moved but the moment passed, just the rhythm of my breaking heart, counting down before the start. I try to memorize your eyes before they vanished with sunrise. On that misty morning goodbye, I watched forever pass me by. The sky was crying soft and slow, like it knew what I didn't want to know. Every step you took away took a piece of yesterday. If forever had a sound, it'd be that train leaving town. Maybe someday when skies are clear and this ache don't live so near, we'll talk about that lonely dawn and how we both kept holding on. But until that day is found, I still hear that leaving sound. On that misty morning goodbye, your shadow faded from the sky. The sun came up but it felt like night when love slipped out of sight. Every mile that you are bound echoes in that hollow sound. If forever had a sound, it's that train leaving town. It's that train leaving town.